Hello land lovers, so my name is Sujit and today we are showing you one more special video of ours. This is a special video because this is the beginning of our journey for Biotechmaali. So I'll just give you a brief about what Biotechmaali does. Biotechmaali is a agri-tech company which focuses on getting greenery back to your place. Basically we take care of your garden, we set up and take care and maintain of your garden. So that is what we do. Right now we are in Bangalore and we are now getting our accessories fitted to our vehicle. We just got it delivered today morning, and in this video you can see what is the thing why I chose Isuzu for our company and what are the accessories which I am putting it on and where I am putting it on, right? So, and there is one more special reason. This vehicle I have got it around 11.25 lakhs. I'll just tell you how I have got it by the end of the video. Don't forget to watch it till the end, and come on, let's see what is the thing what we have got it and how are the things which we are putting it on. So coming on to why I chose Isuzu is because of simple three main reasons. One, I wanted a commercial vehicle for my load bearing capacity because I'll be carrying huge load for my garden requirements. So I'll be needing somewhere around 1 to 1.5 tons, and that is sufficed by Isuzu. So that is the load bearing capacity of Isuzu. Second, I need good road presence for my brand appearance, and third one, I need good build quality. So this is a 2.5 liter liquid cooled engine, and it comes with somewhere around 77 to 78 horsepower. That is the made of this Isuzu S-Cap. So this is the three main reasons what I chose to go with Isuzu. So now moving on to what are the things or what are the accessories which I'm adding on. So there are 8 to 10 list of it. This is a simple model. Basically this is the first variant of Isuzu which is 4x2. And this is the first variant, so a lot of features are not there. I want to add it on because I like adding on more features or more accessories to my car. So first one is the fog lamp which I'm adding on. Second one is the door visor. Third one is the tires, most importantly the tires, because stock we get somewhere around 205 R16 and I have upgraded it to Yokohama Geolander 255 R16. So that is the size of the tire which I have added on. So you can see the difference right now on your screen. And fourth one will be the bed liner. That is the most important and the crucial part of my vehicle because I'll be carrying a lot of load on my vehicle. So bed liner is a must for me and I have added on that. Fifth one is the central locking system, and next one is the Android Auto or Android system for the car, and the reverse system or reverse camera which I have added on. And next one is the side steps which we'll be adding on because it enhances the accessibility and the look of the car. And next we have added on rear metal bumper with side bars, and for our accessibility we have added on roll bar with metal grill. So these are the first stage of accessories which I'm adding on to my Isuzu, and you can see how it is looking right now, and you can see the before and after video also, how it was and how we have converted it. So that's the main reason why I chose these accessories, because it's a need of the hour and it enhances the road visibility, and for me it enhances the accessibility for me, right? So that is the three main reasons. And next, coming on to the very interesting part, how did I get my Isuzu at just 11.25 to 11.3 lakhs? How did I get that much? So as you all know, this is a commercial vehicle. I have bought it under the name of my company, Pharma Mino Agritech Private Limited, and I have got GST registration. So there is a provision, so whenever you purchase vehicle for your business, you can claim GST input. So ex-showroom price of this variant of Isuzu S-Cap is somewhere around 10.28 lakhs, 10 lakh 28,000 to 10 lakh 30,000. So almost around 28% is the GST which I'll be paying to the government. So what will happen is this 2,80,000 of GST worth of amount I'll be getting as input credit for me for my company. So that is how I have saved or I have got this Isuzu at 11.27 lakhs. And if you are also a business owner and wants a heavy duty machine which can carry a lot of weight, up to 1.5 tons, then Isuzu is your go. And I like this driving, and yes, this is the complete thing. And you can also check it out. You can ask your CA how to get your company registered, or this is the simple funda. So you can also get your vehicle or any commercial vehicle for your business with the GST input, and you can reduce your cost. So that is how I have got my Isuzu at just 11.28 lakhs, and I'll be spending somewhere around 1.5 to 1.7 lakhs on accessories. The years only costed me somewhere around 50 to 60k, and all other accessories will cost me somewhere around 1.2 lakhs to 1.3 lakhs. So 1.8 lakhs, somewhere around that, I am spending on accessories. So that is the need of our. So all these accessories are getting fit at Tag 99. We are at Bangalore, and this is Pawan and Varun, and these guys have done a commendable job, and definitely I would put all my other future vehicles with them to get more accessories and all. If you also want to get your accessories or anything for your vehicle, you can check out. I put the details in the description, and you can also check it out. And thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for the.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
Yeah. And if you also like this video, then do not forget to follow Biotechmaali and stay tuned for more updates on gardening, guys. Happy gardening, and share this video. Thank you so much. For more such content, do not forget to follow Biotechmaali.